Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. Ever wondered when to buy and sell your crypto? Today we'll be looking at Lido and finding some key buy and sell opportunities. In this video, we'll cover a unique way where and how to trade Lido. We'll be looking at what it's all about and we'll be looking at some key levels. These calculations is my own calculations using the stock to flow model as an indication. We've seen in the past when Bitcoin goes up, the market follows. When Bitcoin falls, the market follows. So I've come up with my own calculation to give us an indication of what the coins might do. But first of all, looking at 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙑, our all-in-one trading automation platform for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The best crypto trading bots, smart algorithmic orders, portfolio and demo trading. Everything you need to easily manage your assets within one interface. And 𝙏𝙝𝙖 is unique due to the fact that you're connecting via API keys, meaning all your funds stays within your own exchange. Crypto trading bot for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies like Lido. Set automated trading bots on Binance, Bitfinex, Kraken, and over 25 other cryptocurrencies exchanges. Lido, liquidity for staked assets, simplified and secure staking for digital assets. Total staking assets, 18 billion. Total rewards paid, $387 million. And a total stakers of just underneath 91,000. Supported networks. Lido lets you stake tokens from many networks. Choose a network below to get started. Ethereum 2.0. Stake any amount of ETH and earn daily staking rewards. Put your stake ETH to work across DeFi to compound your yield. Terra. Stake Luna to earn staking rewards with Stake Luna or B-Luna. Maintain full control of your staked tokens and use them across the Terra DeFi application. Solana. Stake your Solana and receive st-Sol. Use your st-Sol to earn additional yields and put your stake Sol to work across the Solana ecosystem. Kusama. Stake your Kusama and receive STKSM. Yield daily staking rewards and put your STKSM to DeFi to work across the Kusama and Moonriver ecosystems. Polygon. Stake Matic tokens to support network decentralization and watch your Matic value grow. Staking does not mean locking anymore. How Lido works. Lido builds state-of-the-art liquid staking protocols to grow the staking economy. Stake. Lido lets users stake their assets for daily staking rewards. Users can stake any amount of tokens, no minimum. Mint. When staking Lido, you mint staked tokens which are pegged one-to-one to your initial stake. Your stake tokens can be used across the DeFi ecosystem to compound your yield. DeFi. Lido lets you use your stake assets to gain yield on top of yield. Use your tokens, which earn daily staking rewards as collateral for lending, yield farming, and more. Community. Lido 𝙠 is a community that builds liquid staking services and governs the direction of Lido. The number of 𝙠 participants is growing daily with contributors working together to build the future of Lido. The Lido 𝙠 governs Lido's liquid staking protocols. Check out our primer to learn more and get in touch to join the community. And this is all available on their website. A growing Lido ecosystem. Lido empowers stakers to put their stake access to use. Explore apps and services integrated with Lido. Stake Ether, Avi, SushiSwap, 1inch, Ledger, Curve, MakerDAO, Anchor Protocol, and there's 29 more. And this is just some of the big names mentioned. They have audits from QuantStamp, MixBytes, Sigma Prime, validators, too many to name. And you can stake Lido provides liquidity for the following networks: Ethereum, Solana, Kusama, Polygon, and SushiSwap to come soon. Looking at Lido on CoinGecko, and this is the unique part. I didn't know about this coin until I came across it just now, and it's high on the market cap ranking. Lido is the 19th ranked coin according to market cap. A low trading volume of $1.5 million in the last 24 hours, but a market cap of $9.5 billion. This is unique, unknown. It's like the kid in the back of the room. You know he's there, but you're not hearing him. Looking at Lido itself, it's standing on a price of $3,457. A circulating supply of 2.8 million tokens. The total and the max supply is exactly the same. Looking at Lido since it started its journey on CoinGecko, it started on $617 and it's reached an all-time high of $4,829 on the 10th of November 2021. An all-time low of $482 just over a year ago. Let's see at the key levels for Lido. With an all-time high predicted price of $17,330, that's round about the 5x from the current price. A $14,309 price, $9,863, $8,752, $6,737, $5,279. 6 of the 7 resistant or sell opportunities is new all-time high prices. Looking at key buy opportunities, $3,143, $2,987, $2,605, $2,188, $1,910, $1,667, and the lowest buy opportunity at $1,181. Have you ever looked at Lido? Have a look at it. Leave me your concerns and comments down below, as well as your price predictions. Where do you think this coin can go? Have a great one.